Welcome back. In the last video, we added a document to the document management system. Now, let's take the next step and link that document to a master production record, and see how it flows into our electronic batch records. We will need to log in as a project manager. From the main menu, we'll go to Batch Records, then select Master Production Records. Let's walk through how to connect a document to an MPR. First, we will select an MPR that is in process and go to the Documents tab. Start by clicking Add New Record at the top of the screen. A pop-up will display all documents and files that are in an approved state. Just select the one you want, and it's instantly linked to your MPR. You'll notice a column labeled DMS, along with a green check mark that tells us the document is connected and that it's the latest approved version. Next, navigate to the Manufacturing Instructions tab. You can also add a document or file to any step in the same way. Edit the manufacturing instruction, click the Select Document button and pick a file name. The file name hyperlink will now appear on the screen. Click Confirm to save the new information. Now, check out the Documents tab. The green check marks let you know that the document is up to date. Yellow check marks indicate that there is a new version of the document available. I'll fast-track the approval steps, and we'll meet back at the MPR summary screen. Documents connected to a master production record automatically carry over into a batch production record. So when you generate a new BPR from that MPR, those documents are already there, no extra steps needed. I'll create a batch production record from the MPR and confirm it. On the BPR's Documents tab, you'll see all associated files and their status. A green check mark indicates that it is current. And that wraps up this training on linking documents in InstantGMP's document management system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the another session.